friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing safe and fine. So this time I'm taking you for a very short trip because I was having a day off. Obviously you've seen where are we going. We are going to Kasauli, and not only Kasauli but we'll be exploring the nearby places as well. So everyone has their Goru places. This is one of my Goru place. There is a village called Jangeshu village. I often visit here whenever I'm feeling low or happy or I wanna have me time. I come to this place. I can't wait to take you all to my Goru place, and please don't forget to mention your Goru place in the comment section below. I can't wait to see what your Goru places are. My Goru place is no more a secret now. You've seen Paradise Valley is my Goru place. I've been here like multiple times. This place is really close to my heart as it's close to nature. You get the valley view, waterfalls, swimming pool, what else you need to relax. I really wanted to show you all this place. Paradise Valley is in Jangeshu village. This is like 10 to 12 kilometers behind Kasauli. This is the really quiet place. Come inside. I was really hungry, so I thought, why don't I have my lunch first? Punjabis are always fond of eating, and what's better than dal makhani and paneer with it? So let me have my lunch and I'll catch you later. You get the best valley view, you get this extremely comfy swing. Just have tea in your hand and they make superb Maggi. Oh god. Our rooms are a little upstairs. This is a tent house they provide, and I love this place. You must visit it. So guys, I hope you're liking my place. I was wearing long boots, but for this trek, long boots are big no. So now we are heading to pool 1. Let me show you pool 1 first, then we'll go downstairs. Come. This is our pool 1. So people do have here pool parties and birthday parties or small gatherings if they have. So just look at this place, and this is my place where I have my Maggi and a cup of tea. If you're planning to visit Kasauli, it's good to go there, explore that place, but live here once. You'll get your life memory by staying here, because you don't need to go out anywhere when you are in this property. Like, you not have a second thought of going out. You'll be rather busy here exploring the property itself. So it's a big yes. So I hope you enjoyed pool 1. It's time for pool 2 and waterfall. Come. Second pool. Pool 1 was for people who have booked the rooms, or for those who are not staying here but still want to see. You are charged here on the hourly basis. I'm really enjoying to be back here. It's a second home for me, homecoming you can say. Who says 2 is enough? We have another third pool. You get 1, 2, 3. 3 pools, 2 waterfalls. What else you need? I've been lucky enough to be here in summers, and I've actually felt what it feels inside the waterfall. I can't go right now because it's cold. I've had a song shoot here as well. I'll post the link in the description below. The shooting location was this only. Bonfire. I've already had one Maggie and I have the second lot of Maggie ready with me. It's a tradition whenever you're coming to Hills, Maggie tea and bonfire are a must. Good morning friends. So it's a lovely morning in Jangeshu Paradise Valley. So yesterday we slept after the bonfire and now we woke up all freshened up, all ready to go to Kasauli. I've ordered the grill sandwich. So stay tuned with me and don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So guys, we have finally reached Kasauli. So as you can see at the back on my left, we have Heritage Market of Kasauli, and right in front of me, it's main market of Kasauli, which I just showed you. So I bet you all have tasted samosas and you all have tasted burgers, but you have not tasted a samosa burger. So it's a unique concept, Indian and the Western mix. So a lot of famous personalities have visited the shop. So this is how a samosa burger looks like, as you can see. Can't wait to taste it. So it's yummy. It's like you can't tell that you have a samosa in that. It's too good. I'm enjoying it. I've ordered a tea also. So this place is not leaving any stone unturned to surprise me. I've just had a samosa burger which was really yummy. And now look what I have. Gulab Jamun burger. It's actually tasting good. It's the bun has got sweet itself. I never thought a gulab jamun can be so yum in a bun. Gulab jamun and bun. Weird, but it tastes yum.
School Sonavat, one of the top 10 schools in India, और 47 से पहले वहाँ सिर्फ अंग्रेजों के बच्चे ही पढ़ते थे। तो हमारी तरह वो चावल दाल या रोटी सब्जी तो खाते नहीं थे। तो आउटिंग होती थी उनकी संडे को। तो जब वो संडे को आते थे तो लंच वगैरह में वो उनके वास्ते खाने को तो कुछ होता नहीं था ऐसा। तो वो ब्रेड ले आते थे, उसमें समोसा लगा के खाते थे। तो तब से बन समोसा शुरू हुआ। और बन समोसा का मतलब ये, बन समोसा मीन्स कसौली। अब जो कसौली की पहचान ना, वो बन समोसा। यहाँ जो लोग आते हैं ना, जिनको इसके बारे में पता होता, मतलब सराउंडिंग आपके सैटरडे संडे इतने टूरिस्ट आते हैं चंडीगढ़, मोहाली, पंचकूला वगैरह से, क्योंकि सबसे नियरेस्ट स्टेशन है। वो सुबह आते हैं, शाम को जाते हैं। वो बन समोसा जरूर खाते हैं। वो आके यहाँ ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर नहीं करते हैं, बन समोसा ही खाते हैं।
You can see the down lane is going to a new market, and this lane where I'm going is a meditation point. I've been to Kasauli a lot of times, but I've never explored this place. So it's my first time as well to the meditation point of Kasauli. So let's see how it looks like. The meditation point. You get best view here. I think it's good for the children. So, as you can see at the back, the famous church of Kasoli. It was built during British rule. Inside, photography is not allowed. So I'll be showing you the outer view of church. And because of Sunday, a lot of people are here. So you can come with your families and enjoy the outing here. So guys, we have seen church. Now it's time for Gilbert Trail. People often come here and visit Monkey Point, Sunset Point, but we'll not be going there. We'll be going Gilbert Trail, which is really beautiful spot here. So let's do some trekking and go to Gilbert Trail. Don't worry if you've had 2 extra samosa buns, because you will definitely lose on this trek. Gilbert Trail will start soon, but this is also lovely and I'm already breathless. I don't know how I'll reach the point, but I have to show it to you, so definitely I'll do it. Gilbert Trail. Finally the trek has started. That was just a teaser. The real trek, the nature's walk, the nature's trek is here. Let's do it. I'm actually not feeling tired at all. I'm enjoying that much that I don't feel tired. See the trail? Oh, this is the trail. So guys, this is it. I hope you all enjoyed the trek with me just like I did. I've never been to this place before, so I really enjoyed it, and initially I was feeling that I'll not be able to make it through this trek, but I did it and without getting tired. So there's one temple on the top of a hill right over there. I don't know the way to the temple, and I've got to work tomorrow, so I have to return because the sun is about to set, and this trek has no network connections and no lightning, nothing, so I don't want to get lost here. So because of that, I'll be heading back now. So hope to see you soon in next journey, and if you've been to this place before, do mention that in the comment section. What was your experience? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. I hope you all stay safe and good.